Now we will explore another type of SQL injection called blind SQL injection. Unlike other type of attacks that rely on visible error messages or immediate feedback from the application, blind SQL injection attacks take advantage of vulnerabilities without providing immediate indications of success or failures. Let's break it down further. Blind SQL injection attacks exploit vulnerabilities without relying on visible error messages or immediate feedback from the application. The objective of blind SQL injection attack is to extract information indirectly by manipulating the behavior of the query. The attacker aims to infer information based on the application's responses or delays in the query execution. Blind SQL injection attacks occur when the application does not provide visible error messages or immediate feedback. This lack of responses make it challenging for the attacker to determine the success or failure of the injected code. And to exploit this vulnerability, the attacker uses some techniques such as Boolean-based or time-based methods. In Boolean-based attacks, the attacker manipulates the query to generate different responses based on the truth or falsehood of injected conditions. And in time-based attacks, the attacker introduces delays in the query execution and observes the application's response time to gather information. So let's consider the vulnerable code. In this code, the user input for the username and password is directly concatenated into the SQL query, which makes the vulnerable to blind SQL injection attack. Suppose the attacker inject payload something look like this. This will be copied into the query. This payload aims to introduce a delay in the query execution using the sleep function, which pauses the query execution for a specified number of seconds, in which we have put 5 seconds. The modified query will be something look like this. Select star from users where username equal to inverted commas and or 1 equals or sleep for 5 seconds and double hyphen for comment down the password field. If the application is vulnerable to blind SQL injection, the query execution will be paused for 5 seconds, which indicate a successful injection. This delay-based technique allows the attacker to infer that the injected condition, single inverted comma or sleep for 5 seconds, is interpreted as a true. If the payload works, then you will see the delay of response of 5 seconds from the server in your browser. Understanding these vulnerabilities and exploitation techniques will help you to develop secure coding practices and protect against blind SQL injection attacks. So keep learning and stay one step ahead of potential security threats.